This week, the shop is working on the one-time tool stainless steel step gauges. So let's take a behind-the-scenes look and see where they're at. The first step in making these tools is cutting them out of stainless steel sheets with a high-intensity laser. Those parts are then cleaned and make their way to our blaster, where they receive our proprietary satin finish. Next, the tools move to passivation to make them more corrosion resistant. And finally, the step gauges are laser engraved with high contrast markings. These tools will soon move on to shipping, and stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.